morning to all of you present here. We are from Group Venus. Myself, Palak Baria.
My name is Dipti Singh. My name is Sanskruti Mangala.
The topics which are we going to present today are excretory system,
Structure of kidney, diseases and precaution of kidney.
So let's start.
Do you know about excretory system? I can start. This is an interglandular, renal arteries, kidney, renal veins, dural artery, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra, inferior vena cava. So as you know that excretory system release from your body. Now I will explain how this process takes place. The excretory system human being include a kidney which is located in the abdomen. So let's start. A pair of ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So first go through kidney. Kidney is a structure like a bean shape. It is a functional unit of excretory system. It is the inner concave side called hilum. It is a synthetic waste product known as urine and other unnecessary material. The tube-like structure
is called ureter.
It is a synthesis of.
It carries urine from kidney and then passes to the urinary bladder, which is a sac-like structure made up of muscles. It is pear shaped. It stores urine which is synthesized by the kidney, and then from the urinary bladder the urine passes through urethra, and then it is removed out from our body.
So Palak, can you explain about structure of kidney?
Yes. Friends, you know that the work of kidney is to synthesize urine. But exactly which part of the kidney synthesizes urine? So now I will explain you that. This thin upper layer of the kidney is called renal capsule, which is fibrous and transparent. It gives shape to the kidney. The inner concave side of the kidney is called hilum. Here, blood vessels, arteries, veins, ureter enters in the kidney. This upper region of the kidney is called cortex region. The pyramid-like structure, as you can see here, are called medullary pyramids. The area between these medullary pyramids is called medulla. This innermost surface of the kidney is called renal capsule. These many finger-like projections, as you can see, are in the medullary pyramids, and their half parts in the cortex region are called nephron. Nephron is the basic unit of the kidney. The nephron synthesizes urine in the kidney, which is then passes through the renal pelvis, which is further divided into calyx, minor calyx and major calyx. The urine passes through minor calyx and then it further goes to the major calyx, and then the tube-like structure ureter carries urine from the major calyx and then it passes through the urinary bladder, a sac-like structure, and then from the urethra it removed out from our body. Hence this process continues in our body. But many diseases are caused in the kidney. Ms. Sanskruti, can you explain that?
Yes. Kidney is a functional unit of excretory system, but in kidney many diseases are caused. Our kidney are organ that filter fluid and waste out of our blood. The किडनी में बहुत सारे डिजीज़ होते हैं, जैसे कि फैटी डिजीज़, किडनी स्टोन, किडनी कैंसर, किडनी इन्फेक्शन, सिस्टोनोसिस, etc. When these diseases are caused, we can see their symptoms. We can see their symptoms slowly, like kidney damage, abnormal heart rhythm, insufficient urine production, etc. Precautions taken to prevent in kidney like get regular checkup, manage blood sugar, eat a healthy diet and proper exercise. Thank you.